Hey guys, so I created this video to show you how I skip trace a contact. A lot of times when we're doing Facebook advertising or online marketing, you get bad contact information. Generally, it's when people are less motivated to buy right in the moment. So if they tell you in the Facebook questionnaire that they're 0 to 3 months, then they're probably more likely to give you a good phone number and a good email address. When they're 3 to 6 months, a little bit less likely, 6 to 12 months, even really a lot less likely, and probably will not give you a right phone number. But in all circumstances, generally they give you a good email address. It's the phone number because they're just not ready to be contacted. You also find those folks that put in the funny names, like James Bond and different things. They put that in there when they're less motivated. So it generally comes from motivation and time frame that they're ready to buy or sell. So in the skip tracing process, I use Spokio.com. And what that looks like is I subscribe to this service that allows me to be able to search things like email address up against 120 different social profiles, as well as the database of the phone number in public records and even the name. And so I created this video to show you how I do that on a typical contact that came in with a 3 to 6 month time frame, as well as a phone number that I got a voicemail on that didn't have a name attached to it, and it also had a British sounding voice. So I'm thinking it's a wrong phone number, but I don't know for sure. So I went ahead and skip traced the email address, and the email address did not match the name that was put into the Facebook ad. So I just created this video to show you kind of what I've gone through and how I've done it. I hope you get something from it, and we'll talk at the end.